Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we're going to compare two mid-range phones. Both the devices are made by Lenovo. One is under the Motorola branding and one is under the Lenovo branding. So we have the Moto G4 Plus and the Lenovo K4 Note. So these two phones are priced below the 15k price point in India. Now we have the Moto G4 Plus with a bit bigger display and a better display as well. It's a 5.5-inch display, and this also comes with different variants. 2GB RAM variant, there is a 3GB RAM variant. While on the other hand, the Vibe K4 Note is a successor of the popular K3 Note, and this is priced 11,999, while the Moto G4 Plus, the variant which we are testing, is priced 14,999. So we'll do a detailed comparison of these two phones and see which is better value for money and which are areas these two devices perform better. So first up, let's see the design and build quality. So design wise, we can say that both are really decent in terms of the build quality and design. While we have a metallic chassis on the Lenovo's Vibe K4 Note, we have a complete plastic finishing on the Motorola G4 Plus. Now both these devices have plastic rear panel, and both give decent feedback. It is a matte finish on both the devices. We can see there is a circular panel for the camera unit on both these devices as well. So it's a personal choice on whether you like the design of the Moto G4 Plus or the K4 Note, but our personal choice, we like the design of the K4 Note because it has also dual front facing speaker. That's one really good aspect, while the Motorola G4 Plus has just single speaker. Now the fingerprint placement also is kind of awkward for a device which does not have a home button. That's one area we feel Motorola could have done better with a fingerprint scanner on the back panel. So we'll talk about the fingerprint scanner later. Now in terms of the build quality, we could say that both these devices are quite good in terms of the finishing and overall quality. The Lenovo K4 Note feels a bit more heavier than the G4 Plus, but then the K4 Note feels a bit more sturdier than the Moto G4 Plus. So all in all, in the design and build quality, it's a personal choice. We would pick the Lenovo's K4 Note. Now let's move on to the display. While the display on the Motorola G series has been HD display, now Motorola has upgraded the display to a Full HD panel. Now we have Full HD display with 5.5 inches display size on both these devices. Now both the phones offer protection on the display in the form of Gorilla Glass, and both the displays are quite good. The viewing angles are again good. The color quality is again spot on. The touch response is pretty smooth. So overall display quality is really good on both these devices. Now the brightness levels are also really good. Both these devices offer quite a decent experience in the display department. Now let's move on to the software. Now here there is a major difference. The Moto G4 Plus comes with the latest Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow, and this has this stock experience. On the other hand, the Lenovo's Vibe K4 Note comes with Android Lollipop out of the box with Vibe UI. Now Vibe UI is now more similar to the stock experience, although there is a lot of customization included. Now the Vibe K4 Note will also be getting the Marshmallow update pretty soon. So we are it's not yet rolled out, but it's still in the final stages. So we can expect the Marshmallow for the K4 Note anytime. But now if you're looking for stock like experience, you could say that both these devices offer quite decent experience in terms of the stock UI. You also have a lot of additional customizations, but pure stock experience you get only on the Moto G4 Plus. You can see the notification center also has quite some changes when you compare with the stock experience. The Lenovo's Vibe K4 Note is quite customizable. We have a theming option. You can download additional themes and customize the phone. There are lots of gestures supported. Additional features are included. If you go to the settings panel, you can see that there are lots of additional features available. We have the secure zone, then we have this power manager. Now there is additional tools like the features where we have double tap to wake and smart scene, white touch. A lot of options are included. But if you're looking for stock experience, obviously the Moto G4 Plus is quite good. But if you're looking for quite a bit of customization, the Lenovo's Vibe K4 Note offers better features. Now talking about the performance, we have two different processors, one from Snapdragon, the Snapdragon 617 powering the Moto G4 Plus, while we have the octa-core chipset, that's a 6753 MediaTek chipset powering the Lenovo's K4 Note. Now both these devices are coupled with 3 gigs of RAM, and we have 16 gigs of storage on the Lenovo's K4 Note, while it's 32 gigs on the Moto G4 Plus. Now both these phones have micro SD card expansion slot. Now the performance on both these devices are quite good. In day-to-day tasks, both these devices offer great performance, no lag or issues. But when it comes to gaming, this is one area both these devices are not really that great in this aspect. Now gaming experience on the Moto G4 Plus was quite decent, but then the heating issue was the major problem. So heating is definitely a concern on the Moto G4 Plus, with the temperature reaching up to 50 degrees. But on the K4 Note, the temperature isn't the issue, the heating is not the issue, but the overall gaming performance was not quite good. It was laggy in nature when we tested during our review. Although a few upgrades have made it much better, but still both these devices are not really great for gaming, since both have issues with respect to the gaming performance. Now both these phones come with dual SIM cards and micro SD card expansion slot along with 4G LTE. So in the software and performance, if you're looking for day-to-day performance, then both these devices offer great performance. But gaming, neither of these devices offer great performance. And in the software department, as I said before, you have to choose between stock experience or if you want a customized UI. So that is the software and experience. Now let's move on to the camera. So here we have a 13 megapixel camera on the Lenovo Vibe K4 Note, while we have a 16 megapixel camera on the Moto G4 Plus. Now we have a dual tone LED flash on both these devices. Now we have a laser autofocus assisted by a face detection autofocus on the Moto G4 Plus. Now the camera interface is quite decent on both these devices. It do offer some decent options like panorama, HDR, and decent amount of features are also included. Both the phones can record videos in 1080p. Now looking at the camera samples taken between these two devices, you can clearly see that the Moto G4 Plus is the winner here. Now although the Lenovo's Vibe K4 Note offered a great quality, it has definitely improved with the K3 Note, but it's still not up to the mark of the Moto G4 Plus, where the camera is one of the really great aspects. Now another issue with the Moto G4 Plus with prolonged camera usage, which we mentioned in our review as well, it gets heated up and camera becomes unstable and you cannot use it. So that issue should be fixed by the company before we can really call it a good phone for camera usage. So in the camera aspect, we would say the Moto G4 Plus is the winner. Now finally, the battery performance. Now both the phones have pretty good capacity battery. The Moto G4 Plus comes with 3000 mAh battery, while the K4 Note comes with a 3300 mAh battery. Now although the battery capacity is better on the K4 Note, the battery performance we feel is slightly better on the G4 Plus. That can be attributed to the fact that it has Android 6.0 Marshmallow, where there is battery optimization, and we could get almost up to 5.5 hours of screen on time on the Moto G4 Plus in single charge with 4G LTE. While on the other hand, we didn't get that much screen on time on the K4 Note, but it can definitely take you through 1 day of usage on the K4 Note. So in the battery performance, we would say the Moto G4 Plus has the edge here. So summing up, we have talked about almost all aspects. So summing up, which is a better device to buy here? Now the pricing is the key factor here, because the K4 Note is priced at 12,000. That's 11,999 is exact pricing, while we have a 3K difference with Moto G4 Plus, which is priced at 15K. So it's 14,999 and that's the pricing. So what do we get additionally for that 3K? You get a stock experience, we have a better camera, and you also have 32 gigs of storage. So those are the aspects, and also we have a better battery life. So for K4 Note, there are still some great aspects. One is a dual front facing speakers. It's really good in terms, if you're looking for great multimedia content, then this device is really good. The speaker performance is really good on the K4 Note. It's not bad on Moto G4 Plus, but still the speaker performance and the overall multimedia capabilities are good on the K4 Note. So if you're looking for a great multimedia experience, and this also has this VR support, so it's available on this device. So VR support, you can see this, there is a VR mode available, so you can connect your VR device to this device, and then you can watch it on the VR device. So that's one good aspect about the Lenovo's Vibe K4 Note. So if you're looking for great multimedia experience, then the Vibe K4 Note is a better choice. choice. Now talking about the fingerprint scanner, one is located on the front panel, while on the K4 Note we have on the rear panel. Now it's a personal choice on whether you want on the rear panel or on the front panel. Our personal choice would be on the rear panel because it's quite easy to unlock if you're taking out of the pocket. When you're taking the device out of the pocket, you can quickly unlock it instead of using the front panel. But talking about the performance of the fingerprint scanner, both are really good and both can unlock the device in pretty quick time, and they are accurate as well. So we have talked about a lot of aspects. So which is a better value for money device here? We would say the better value for money. If you're not looking for great camera, it's definitely the K4 Note, because the heating issue on the Moto G4 Plus does not allow you to do even the camera work. So if you're looking for even camera performance, there is a heating issue. So we would suggest that additional 3K you only get a better camera, and there is 32 gigs of storage. So it's again a personal choice. It's subjective matter, which is you need to set your priorities. But definitely the value for money device is a K4 Note, because it also has this great multimedia content. So if software isn't your priority, then we would definitely suggest you to pick the Vibe K4 Note, because it has a great performance all around. Other than the gaming, camera is quite decent, the battery performance is decent, and also the multimedia experience is great. Now on the Moto G4 Plus, the camera is good, latest software, and the battery performance is decent. So that was a detailed comparison of the Moto G4 Plus with the Vibe K4 Note from Lenovo. So that's all guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.